So me say what they do, what they do, what they do, what they do, what they do. You know what I do and you know who it's who. Gonna do man. Drop them feet again.
Yes, baby, what you do?
You drop and skank and swing your waistline.
Mr. Robert Dub, man.
I'm say then and there again to make you wind up yourself again.
She say please, please.
Some do ba.
Mr. Robert Dub, man. Please play me a Robert Dub song.
Some do ba.
Cause this a Robert Dub
Let me
thing.
see you skank feet again.
She say please, please, please. Mr. Robert Dub, man.
You know what I do when I do my
Please
thing.
play me a Robert Dub song.
Girl.
Cause this a Robert Dub sling, ting, 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 ting. She say please, please, please. Mr. Robert Dub, man. Please play me a Robert Dub song. Cause this a Robert Dub sling, ting, 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 ting.
Now when she steps in at the place, her lipstick and lace, she's a woman of style and fashion and grace. And when she whine her waist, turn every eye in your place. Good any man she want, but on no guy she a chase. She said the drum and the bass on her lips she can taste. Give her a feeling what she just can't erase. Only the sweet reggae music takes her to that place, and you can tell by the look on her face what she feel like.
Let's get carried away. But it's sweet, sweet melody. I'm just jamming to the Robert Dub style. I'm skanking to the Robert Dub style.
She love the feeling what she give from the sound operator. Now she's addicted and nobody can save her. The echo chamber intoxicates her. She said no feeling is greater. She love the DJ, love the selector, but feels like a prisoner, he captivates her. In a reggae session, now there is no question. It has become an obsession.
She say please, please, please. Mr. Robert Dub, man. Please play me a Robert Dub song. Cause this a Robert Dub thing. She say please, please, please. Mr. Robert Dub, man. Please play me a Robert Dub song. Cause this a Robert Dub sing, ting, 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 ting.
Yeah, she says she need that can't wait any longer. Only the rhythm could have feed her hunger. When the record starts spin and the music coming, it hits her like a rolling thunder. And now she's on the dance floor, feeling weak in the knees, begging the DJ for more, so she can feel her disease. She don't want no champagne, don't want no Henny. She don't need no red wine, don't want no Remy. She said the Robert Dub sound is like a merry-go-round, and it's enough to make her head start spinning. Woo!
Yo, this a one ya in a back in the days. In the future, man, you better feel the flame. When you hear that tune, and you know say we no lame. When you feel the vibe, the piece make you catch a flame.
I know you really, really feel the frequency. Rock until the morning light, I know you want to rock with me. Simmer down and do the skanking. Tell the shorty gon' do the Robert Dub tonight.
She say please, please, please. Mr. Robert Dub, man. Please play me a Robert Dub song. Cause this a Robert Dub thing. She say please, please, please. Mr. Robert Dub, man. Please play me a Robert Dub song. Cause this a Robert Dub sing, ting, 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 ting. She say please, please, please. Mr. Robert Dub, man. Please play me a Robert Dub song. Cause this a Robert Dub sing, ting, 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 ting. Scuba doo ba doo ba doo ba doo. I'ma get down, I'ma rock with you. It's the Robert Dub girl.
OCEAN Kayak Trident 15, baby. Never let me down. Aloha. Mahalo, Kia Kua.